ATOMSTACK A30, X30, S30 Pro 160W high-power laser engraver and cutter. Precision meets power. Professional-grade laser engraving and cutting solution. Unleash the full potential of laser engraving with the ATOMSTACK A30, X30, S30 Pro. Equipped with 160W machine power and a robust 33W 36W optical output. Designed for professionals, workshops, and serious creators, this all-in-one system delivers ultra-fine engraving, deep cutting, and unmatched versatility, backed by cutting-edge technology and robust build quality. Light bulb key features overview checkmark 160W machine power, 33W 36W optical laser output checkmark cuts 30mm wood, 40mm black acrylic, multi-pass, checkmark engraves mirror steel, ceramics, and glass checkmark 32-bit color grayscale engraving, 256 levels, checkmark offline engraving plus smart app control checkmark dual air pump assist plus F3 matrix plate plus R3 Pro rotary checkmark ultra fine laser spot, 0.08 x 0.1 mm. Gear feature breakdown biceps 33 to 36W optical output, advanced cutting power. Utilizing hexagonal 6-core laser coupling technology, the laser outputs dense, high-energy beams capable of cutting 30mm thick wood, cutting 40mm black acrylic, engraving on metals like mirror stainless steel, marking on ceramics, opaque glass, leather, and more. The reduced laser focus, to just 0.08 x 0.1 mm, allows for pinpoint accuracy and fine detail, making this unit suitable for industrial-level engraving or high-quality creative work. Brain upgraded 32-bit motherboard with 256-level grayscale. ATOMSTACK's self-developed motherboard brings support for true grayscale engraving, providing richer detail, more lifelike textures, and photorealistic results beyond just black engraving. Whether working with wood or metal, your engravings will stand out in stunning contrast. Cell phone smart control with offline functionality. Take full control of your projects with offline engraving via onboard terminal panel. ATOMSTACK mobile app, iOS and Android, for remote control, project management, and wireless start. Lightburn and Laser GRBL compatibility, for pro-level design and workflow management. Engrave anytime, anywhere, no PC tether required. Running enhanced F30 Pro Air Assist System. Equipped with the upgraded F30 Pro Dual Pump Air Assist Kit, this laser machine improves cutting precision, edge cleanliness, heat dispersion, material cooling and lens protection. The automatic air assist supports Lightburn M7, boosts cutting performance while extending the lifespan of the laser head. Shield robust safety and durability. Emergency stop button, quick shut off in case of issue. Limit switch plus reset button, ensures safety at all times. Fully integrated screw rod design, improves stability and accuracy. A solid, industrial-grade frame keeps vibrations low and precision high. Bullseye bonus included accessories. Green square F3 matrix protective plate. Protects your desktop surface. Increases laser head lifespan. Prevents back marking on materials. Anti-clockwise arrows R3 Pro rotary roller 8 adjustable positions. Engraves cylindrical items, mugs, tumblers, bottles, rings, etc. Supports infinite length objects without obstruction. Magnifying glass perfect for woodworking and signage. Custom metal marking, acrylic crafts and prototypes, jewelry and leather engraving, personalized gifts, industrial parts, and more.